Yeah, hi Vidya. So before we move ahead, I think I'll just show you a demo of what all we achieved or what's the status of this. So as you can see here, I have the list of PDFs as well as the document in this folder, which is on the desktop test, and the developed application is over here, and it's in an exe format. I can simply double click, and this will be our application. And when we launch the application, the first step itself is select the source folder, which is this folder. I can click on browse. It will open up a browse folder dialog where I can select the respective folder and click OK. The folder name will appear here. So there are a couple of validations happening here. So if I didn't select this folder, suppose I select a folder which has another document which is not our document, then it will read the word and it will identify that it's not the one we have. So it will say that the structure is not as expected because it's not the word that we are expecting. So this is the word that we are expecting. So I'm just selecting the correct folder. I'm clicking on next, and what it does is it will try to parse the document, and once it parses the document, it will identify, it will go through that third row and it will identify how many PDFs need to be generated, and it will list out all the PDFs. So far it identifies around 94 PDFs to be generated from that third column, the last column. And when you click on this, you can see that it will identify the corresponding page numbers to be extracted. So if you click on row number 1, you can see that the pages are 26 to 29. So based on that, it will identify it need to fetch from 26 to 29. So so if there are only one, like page 16, it will just have the page 16, or if there are multiple, like this one, it can interchangingly identify the page numbers. So you can just confirm that whether the page numbers are correct or not. So once we confirm this, we can click on next, and what it will does is it will try to work on all these PDFs. It will try to process all these PDFs. Now I'll just show the task manager. It is actually, you see here, my CPUs are working normally, and I'm using multi-threading to make it as efficient as possible. Now if you see, this is our root folder, and I'm going to start the processing. You can see the spike in the CPU, that is just trying to generate all the PDFs using all the available cores in the processor, and our PDFs have been generated with a progress bar that shows the update. And you can see here that numerous PDF files are getting generated. And now our process is completed. So as you can see that once the process is completed, the CPU went down, and all the PDFs are being generated based on the numbering that you have suggested, row, then hyphen the row number. Now once we are in this stage, here itself there is a button to open the source folder. If I click over here, I can open the selected source folder, and if I click on run here, again I can start. Now if I again open the source folder, we have all the files created over here, and if I open the respective document, it's been updated, and if I scroll down now, you can see that now when I click over here, it says row1.pdf. So this will be the location. So right now I am running on my system, so it shows my folder names. Now when I click OK, so here if you see the page numbers are 26 to 29, that will be 4 pages, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Now if I click on it and open it, it links to the respective PDF in the file, and it has 4 pages. Similarly, all the similar pages we can expect, like 269 to 270. If I open it, there are 2 pages, and there are single page files as well. This one is a single page, just page 277, just that page, and there are multi-page as well. So this one consists of different pages. If I click over here, you can see the 12 pages. So that's what we have achieved. So before moving to the next milestone that you suggested, Please take a review. I will just send this software to you, so you can just verify, and if any issues are there, please let me know. Thank you so much.